Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will help you to remove the online scam which is associated with the website Gemstonewarrior.store. Gemstonewarrior.store is a deceptive website which keeps attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. Gemstonewarrior.store claims that it is somehow related to some decent security program. However, we have researched these pop-ups and we came to the conclusion that they are not related to any decent security program. The real purpose of these pop-ups is to trick you into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted software. If you click on this Renew Subscription button, you will notice that you will be soon redirected to some other malicious site that may promote a totally different software. Therefore, interacting with these pop-ups is extremely dangerous. Don't trust these deceptive pages. I would recommend that you research your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may obtain the fresh version of Combo Cleaner on the official website combocleaner.com. After you download the program, this is the way it looks like. You need to click on Start Combo Scan button. The application is initially in the trial mode, but it has several free features such as disk cleaner, big files and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the general performance of your computer. So then the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus will begin. Combo Cleaner works very well when it comes to identifying threats like adware, browser hijackers, unwanted pop-ups, push notifications, fake system optimizers and other malware. So take your time until the scanning is completed by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. What's good about Combo Cleaner is that it shows you the exact locations of threats on the system. You're able to know the names of these threats. I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your system always protected against any other possible malware.